The next person to have signed in is John Sambrook.
Hello, my name is John Sambrook. I live at 11227 Northeast 128th Street, Unit I-102 here in Kirkland, Washington, 98034. At this point in time, I'm 57 years old, and in about a week I'm going to be 58. And if there's one lesson that I've learned in my life, it is that at times there are issues that are so difficult to discuss, so pernicious, so unwelcome, that a man has no choice but to spit on his hands, hoist the black flag, and start slitting throats. Now, I don't mean that literally, but I do mean that figuratively. The issue that I'm talking about is routine infant circumcision, which is male genital mutilation. And I know that I've asked my colleagues in the intactivist community, who number in the thousands around the world, to send you good information on this topic. All genital mutilation is wrong. It's wrong when it's done to a little girl, and it's wrong when it's forced on a baby boy. It is wrong when it's done in Africa, in a village, and it is wrong when it's done in the Family Maternity Center at Evergreen Hospital. I am here to ask the council not to pass regulations about this. I am not seeking that. The time will come when I do seek that. What I am asking the council and every member of the general public here to educate themselves on this issue. It is not, as it is commonly understood, it is not just a snip. It is a 20 to 30 minute procedure that is excruciatingly painful and destructive to the victim of that procedure, and it wounds a man for life. What I am asking for is that the council and members of the public educate themselves on this issue, and then perhaps when people are up to speed, they will join us in the battle to end this, to simply put a warning on the City of Kirkland website. Wouldn't it be wonderful if the City of Kirkland was one of the first cities in the nation to put up a warning to parents? Please do not sleepwalk with your child into the circumcision chamber and wind up accidentally wounding him for life. I understand that mothers and fathers are trying to do the right thing, but they are misled by the vast mythology that surrounds this topic, and they wind up becoming regret moms and regret dads. And I know what I'm talking about because I am a regret dad, and it's something I will regret for the rest of my life. And what I am trying to do is warn my fellow citizens about this hazard. And with that, I'm out of time, and I am grateful for your hearing my concern. Thank you.
Thank you. We appreciate you being here.
Madam Mayor.
Yes, sir.
With the consent of my fellow council members, could we ask the city attorney for some information? Number one, is this an area that the city could regulate even if we wanted to? And number two, if we were to make the kind of statement that's suggested, would it be considered religious discrimination in some way because there are religious communities in Kirkland that teach circumcision as a fundamental principle?
So I'm thinking we might need Mr. Raymond to come back to us with that information.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you
Appreciate
very
your
much.
comments.